Tonight I want to go over my 1915 Rawleigh-Schryer with you just a little bit. I acquired this engine about 4 months ago. It's spent all its life in Ottawa County, Ohio. It's almost complete. I have a few more details to finish up. All the plumbing is completed. It's going to be running on one of the original Thordson coils that came with the engine. The nameplate's back on it. All the finish is done. It's sitting on its original longleaf yellow pine skids that came on it originally 105 years ago. And we've got one spring on the governor weights right now. Still looking for some softer springs. And we're going to start it up here in just a minute and let you see how easy this engine starts. This was a complete tear down, and there was no major repairs on it. The engine's about 99.9% all original, with the exception of a few cotter keys and a couple of bolts. The truck is one that I hand built using parts from some other trucks that I had acquired. So let's see if we can start her up. The engine's already been set so that it's on the intake stroke, so we're going to prime it with a little ether and let her run.